focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
You the baddest on the scene, I know why, oh my. You the baddest on the scene, I know why, oh my, shorty, oh.
Hey y'all, so today we have Layla, period. And so as y'all can see by the title, we are working with CREAT hair. I think that's how you pronounce it. I know I've been gone for a minute. I missed y'all like so much, but we is back to it like we never left, baby, okay? So she had got a 26-inch straight. The hair already came highlighted and all of that. So this is the wig that she got from this company, and she wanted it to do the little cute little half up, half down style, but pulled to the back. And it can be tricky sometimes, but I'm gonna show y'all how I work around it and I still make it look sleek and smooth. The first part I did just go ahead and get to the nitty gritty. So if you do want to see a full in-depth tutorial on how I do my installs, I have numerous of install tutorial videos already on my page. But for those who really care about the styling part and also the edge tip, stay tuned. So I'm gonna just let this play out a little bit and I'm gonna get back on here and give y'all the nitty gritty.
Focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?
Okay y'all, so now we are at the part where I'm about to start seeing how it's gonna flow together while making basically a ponytail, kind of like on top of like straight hair. Like, I don't know if that makes any type of sense, but like it's not like just super easy as if it was with our natural hair, of course, because we have to maneuver around those tracks that is up in there that's trying to show, and we don't want them to show through the install. So yes, y'all would just see me getting it right, getting there, you know, semi-perfect or whatever. And this is really just me just mapping out how much hair I'm going to use for the ponytail, and I'm just going to clip it up and start working on the curls. So towards the end is when I will like really sleek and finish the ponytail part.
Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Okay, y'all, so here we're just gonna get a short little clips of me curling a longer inch. Now I'm starting to think that she get 28, because when I was doing her hair, I do remember her, like her hair was like mad long, and I was like, these curls is still coming out good, but the hair is like super long. So yes, y'all would just see basically, like, I just learned the key to curling is just making sure the temperature is like really hot, as in like if your curling iron go up to, you know, 400, 500, like just basically put it on the highest setting it could go. The hotter the better. And also take your time, go really slow, really make sure the hair, really make sure the heat is being, you know, distributed. Y'all know the word I'm trying to say. Just make sure that he is going through, you know, all of the hair at, you know, at a good, you know, pattern rhythm type of thing going. You know, not so much heat on the top versus, you know, at the bottom. Like, it needs to be the same amount of effort, the same amount of heat, the same amount of strength throughout the whole strand of hair, okay? Period. So y'all would just see me sped up curling the rest of the hair. I don't know, sometimes I just love to just watch like time lapse videos. So here's one for y'all.
Baby, can you focus on me? focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
Okay, y'all, so now we about to continue on throughout the install. So here we are about to go ahead and get those edges out the way, and then we are going to proceed and finish the ponytail part with the back. So basically, y'all, my little tip that I would like to give out regarding to doing your edges, I don't know, just doing edges is just so satisfying to me, one, and two, like the process of doing them. So you will see here I am just parting out where I feel like there should be some edges. Y'all can, you know, part out wherever you want your edges at. I would go more based off of how it would look on you or on your client versus you just doing whatever. But yeah, back to what I was saying about the whole prepping and like process. Like, I feel like that is like the most part you need to like dedicate your full 100% attention to, because like without that preparation, you're just working with nothing. So y'all would just see I parted out the hair, I hot combed it real straight, I'm curling it real slow, really making sure that heat is really up getting in there. Now I'm about to go in with my gel, and basically what I like to do is I like to take the gel and place it at the root. Not at the hair just yet, but at the root. And I really like to work in the brush. So basically, the EdgeBrush tool with the brush and the comb is just the handy dandy tool that is pretty much all you need when it comes to this preparation. Like, you really just need to get them strokes up in there. Make sure that gel is all the way down at the root, so when you do finish up, you know, the rest of the hair and the edges, it just all goes smoothly together. Like, that is literally like my number one favorite part about doing hair. Like, the preparation, like the sleekness of the roots going into the rest of the hair. Like, I don't know, it's just so satisfying. So I pray y'all like, you know, my little tip or whatever. Like I said, the key is preparation. Take your time and do your thing. You got this. Period. So yeah, here I used foam to finish up the edge here. And as y'all know, my favorite gel is still the Meltdown gel. I did use the GotB gel in this video. And it still did good. Still did wonders. I'm still using that same foam.
Baby, focus. Can't you? Me? Can you focus on me? Baby,
So here I am just sleeking out the rest, getting ready for this ponytail, baby. So I love using the Shears Bomb wax stick to get everything slicked out, smoothed out, ready to go, followed by my Sebastian spray, followed by that hot comb. We finna get it real flat and real nice. I will say though, I feel like I could have got this wig a little bit more flatter, but currently right now of December 2022, I am working on my flatness. So yes, right here, y'all will just see I'm getting ready for the ponytail now. Like, you just gotta make sure you just do it real nice and slow. Like, I am not speeding up around this part because I just feel like this part just really important to watch. Like, just literally watch how I just sleek everything up in there with that handy dandy comb. I'm going in with the hot comb. I'm also going in with GotB spray around this time too, and I'm also using the blow dryer on cool and hot heat. Well, no, I kept y'all just warm heat, just warm and hot heat. Please, while you are doing this, please do not burn y'all's clients. Like, please move the blow dryer here and there. Like, please just don't leave that heat blowing on that ear. Like, you need to think about how you would feel if the hot heat was just on you. So yes, please be cautious of that, y'all, if y'all out here taking clients. And yeah, so y'all will see right here when I made this ponytail, this was not the last ponytail I made. I probably made at least two or three. But I just feel like you need to make one just to just sleek everything in there and get everything molded into a ponytail shape. And then take that out and really smooth all the last little straggly pieces that may have been missed from the first time. And then by the second time, you're going to be good and you're going to have a good, sleek ponytail. So, yeah. All right, so here y'all will see me wrapping around that hair. I literally just took a piece of hair from the bottom of the ponytail, and I'm putting heat on it just because we're about to wrap it around, and I don't want it to be, I don't want the hair shaft to be too stiff. Like, I need some heat up in there to loosen it up. And I just like to keep wrapping it around with the GotB spray and hot heat blow dryer. Literally. So we're just going, this is literally such an easy process. You are literally going to wrap the hair around and around, and just after a few times in between, you're going to spray that spray and you're going to dry it with the blow dryer, period. And one little favorite tip I think is so cool. I made this up. I really feel I did. Literally just getting some lace glue and putting it right under the ponytail thing. It's going to dry clear and the hair is not going to move. Like, key. Like, I think that is so smart, and it really shouldn't be that hard to take out anyway. It's not going to damage the hair or anything that bad. So, yep. Now I'm about to go in and curl the ponytail in the bang. This is coming out so cute. I pray y'all are liking the video, and we will be back. Okay, y'all, and I just have one little quick tip for the bang part. So for the bang, I like to start the curling iron in the front of the hair, curling inwards. And then once I get to like the middle part of the hair, I then like to turn the curling iron at an angle, as y'all can see here. And then I just like to basically finish off curling the hair at that angle only. So then when the hair drops, it will drop like with the little front hook, but then with the curl still falling on the side of her face. So yes, y'all gonna see how it drops in a minute. But yes, I just wanted to give out that quick little tip. My next video coming out will definitely be a in-depth tutorial on how to do y'all know the feathered bang, that be like all up in your face and stuff. So yes, I do have a video coming out on that type of style in particular coming out next, so y'all stay tuned for that. But yes, as y'all can see, y'all see how it dropped all pretty on the side of her face, but still, got that little cut right there by her eye or whatever. And yeah, in a minute, I'm about to show y'all the end result. But thank you so much if you made it this far. I pray that you liked this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and go ahead and subscribe to your girl, because more videos are coming back, y'all. See ya.
You the baddest on the scene on the wall, oh my. You the baddest on the scene on the wall, oh my shorty.